What's up, internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and this is my Mugs Empire review. This is a product by Alessandro Zamboni, and it teaches you within this method. It teaches you how to create and sell mugs on Etsy. Okay, so I also sell t-shirts online, and I also sell printables online, and a lot of the things he teaches I also talk about and teach myself, so I know this is an effective method because I do it myself. I haven't done it with mugs, I've done it with t-shirts and printables, but not with mugs yet. I learned several new things as well within the Mugs Empire PDF book. Well, I'm going to get into that real quick. I'm going to show you the whole entire book, show you my custom bonuses that, by the way, are all related to this product, plus the OTOs and upgrades, all that. And you can get that information down below, by the way. But before I do any of that, I want to go over the sales page and let you know if this is trustworthy or not, right? Some of these sales pages, even if I like the product, some of these sales pages are overly hypey, and I hate when they do that. I want to cut through the crap. I want to give you my realistic opinion about this course, about this method, all of that. So let's start reading this now, okay? And I'll let you know. First, create your quick print-on-demand empire made with gorgeous custom mugs. Very simple, straight to the point, and yes, you can profit online with mugs. You can do that with t-shirts as well, with printables, calendars even. I've seen it all, and I've sold a lot of it myself. So yeah, that's what the title says. I don't think this is overly hypey at all. Okay, here are the bullet points. Mug Empire gives you all the steps on how to create fantastic mugs to sell via Etsy and more portals. Portals, I think he means different platforms, not only Etsy. You can also sell them on your own site, of course. And I believe there's another site, another type of platform where you can sell your goods on, your physical goods. Okay, don't worry, you don't have to actually create a mug. You don't have to like buy mugs, keep them in your house, and then when somebody buys them, you send them off. You don't do any of that. Okay, there is a way where once someone buys a mug from your Etsy store, you can have that mug created and ordered real quickly off another site and have that sent over to your customer. Okay, so you don't have to you don't have to turn your house into a warehouse. Okay, none of that. Okay, so don't worry about that. Let's go through these bullet points. Start making 200 a day by selling custom mugs in a lot of niches. I think that, yeah, 200 a day is definitely possible, but I would say you should build up to that, and it's gonna take time before you make any real income, because there's a learning curve. You have to actually read the PDF, and follow through on what Alessandro says, right? You gotta set up your account, but the real important thing is how to find these winning designs, okay? Because it's not what you think is the best for your customers, is what's already working. Okay, that's why I like this course, and that's why I'm showing it to you, because it goes along with what I teach on my channel. Okay, you want to create products based on what people already want, okay? Not based on what you think is a good idea. That's a key point. So 200 a day at the start, I'd say no. You'd have to slowly build up to that, okay? But once you're there, you can make even more. So this is not overly hypey in my opinion, okay? I've had days where I've sold over $500 worth of products, and some days are not as good, but it fluctuates, okay? So there you go with that. Next, no tech skills and no paid software needed to create 5-minute mugs. That's right, you can do this easily and quickly. I've done it myself, not with mugs, but with t-shirts and printables. It's super simple, and I have no design background whatsoever, yet I can create stunning t-shirts, funny t-shirts, and printables on the fly. And if not, you can always outsource for very cheap on Fiverr. Next one. Highly profitable mugs are selling like crazy and people love to collect them. This is true. I also collect mugs, as you can see. I don't collect them, I use them. I drink out of them. But yeah, definitely, it's still a thriving market. People are still buying mugs on a daily basis. So there's no reason why you can create a mug around a certain niche, get that mug on Etsy and sell it online, which is again really cool, highly profitable mugs. Okay, now next one, easy to use platform when creating mugs, very simple and free. Yes, 100% this is true. How to create mugs and how to get them print ready, all very simple stuff. You don't have to pay a dime, and you only pay once the customer actually purchases your mug, and then you have it shipped to him or her, and you of course profit off the margin. So that's really cool. So you stand to make about $10 for every purchase. You stand to make about $10, which is very good, I think. Next one, get free traffic from multiple sources. That prime places, the prime places where mugs sell like crazy. Yes, he does show you some pretty cool Facebook groups where you can sell your mugs, and Pinterest. On top of that, I have my custom bonuses, which will cover Pinterest traffic in depth, and you'll get more information and more guides, plus my free software to get Pinterest traffic. But more on that later. Next one, unlimited market. Think about how many different mugs you can create in any market niche. That's true. There's so many different niches, and you can always cross niche when it comes to t-shirts and mugs. For example, people who love Pugs the dog and people who love coffee, put a pug drinking coffee on a t-shirt or on a mug or something, and people will buy that like hotcakes, right? When you cross niches. That's a free tip for you right there. Okay, so now that we understand that, let's go over and talk about my custom bonuses. So my custom bonuses are as follows. You get my t-shirt case study where I show you how I sell t-shirts online. Okay, it's again follows suit with the Mugs Empire course. It supplements what you learn in Mugs Empire. Plus you get my real life case study. You also get another case study on how I made $67 on repeat selling printables. Okay, I give you a step-by-step case study, PDF and video, plus I show you 3 different traffic sources and which one performed better, the best out of the 3. It's really good over-the-shoulder training, which you're gonna enjoy. So you're gonna want that. You also get my guaranteed social traffic free tool. It's a free resource to get social media traffic. Okay, you don't have to pay. You can pay, but you don't have to. I never do. It's a free. I'm gonna show you how to use it for free, and it's gonna help get your products, get your content out there into these different platforms. Really good stuff. Next one is my Pinterest traffic, how to get Pinterest traffic easily, okay? Which is one of the traffic sources that Alessandro covers within his course. I'm gonna give you a fully detailed Pinterest traffic method, the one I use myself. Again, this is my custom bonuses. You get all my videos plus my software, all yours, if you get Mugs Empire through me, okay? And you also get invitation. You get an invite, personal invite to my Tailwind tribe. Tailwind is a great source to get Pinterest traffic, and I have an actual tribe, a very popular tribe, where I'll invite you. You can go there, post your content, and get traffic that way. But on top of that, you get all the bonuses that Alessandro is throwing in with his method, Mugs Empire. Okay, so you get all of this if you get this through me. Now that we understand the custom bonuses, I want to go over the actual course. It's a PDF. It's a PDF, and it's composed of 3 chapters. It's 49 pages long, and in this PDF, he breaks it down. Chapter 1, the best place to sell your mugs. Okay, he talks about Etsy, and I agree 100% in this situation because Etsy is its own traffic source, right? People are actively looking on Etsy to buy mugs, to buy crafts, things along those lines. So yes, this is, I'm telling you right now what the traffic source is, the main one, and that's Etsy. Okay, so chapter 2, create your first mug. Now chapter 2, to me, this is where the secret sauce comes in. Okay, I learned a lot. Number one, he teaches a lot of things. He teaches a lot of the things I teach when it comes to creating products and how to go about finding these types of products and how to create them really easily. But I learned some new things on how he goes about finding mug ideas that he can use for mugs, and these designs usually do very well for him within Etsy. So I gotta say, chapter 2, pay very close attention. Chapter 2, read it carefully, because I think this is where this is the core of this course, of this method, is chapter 2. Okay. And also there's a video there, but now chapter 3, how to increase your mug sales. Okay, so he's going to give you tips how to send more traffic to these types of mugs, how to get more people, how to convert more people on your sales page, on your Etsy page, and things along those lines. On top of that, he shares with you several different Facebook groups that you can join where you can sell your mugs. And like I mentioned earlier, he teaches you how to get Pinterest traffic. But my Pinterest traffic method, I must say, is better. And I get over 1,000 people a day on my baby shower site from Pinterest. Okay, so that's the product in a nutshell. It's a PDF. There is a video included within this PDF that will show you the steps. So don't worry about that. Usually I don't review or I don't support these types of courses that are only PDF, but this is a really good PDF. It's value filled, and there's a video involved to help you, because for me, video is so important. I like to see how it's done. I'm a visual learner, I guess, and a video is provided here showing you the steps, so you don't have to worry about that. Okay. And as for the OTOs, OTO 1 or upgrade 1 is 17 bucks. Upgrade number 2 is 27, and upgrade number 3 is 497. Okay, upgrade number 1 teaches you how to leverage public domain images to create vintage style mugs. You can use these old-timey images from back in the day, Charlie Chaplin stuff, public domain stuff, and he shows you how to create winning designs using public domain images. Old style stuff, really cool. Upgrade number 2, 27 bucks, like I mentioned earlier. It's 10 done for you mugs to resell. This is perfect for newbies. Okay, so he gives you all of the mock-ups you need, all the designs you need for 10 different designs. So you can start off and selling those right away. And the next one, get all of Alessandro's previous products plus his email funnel. That's at 497. So if you're a newbie, I recommend either upgrade 2 or upgrade 3. Of course, 497 is kind of steep. Depends how serious you want to get into selling mugs online. But if you are, then go for upgrade number 3. Those are my recommendations. That's my opinion about the OTOs and about the course itself. And of course, yeah, I think this is a really cool, by all means, check the sales page on your own. This is a really cool method, and I agree with what he teaches when it comes to finding winning products, winning mug ideas. Like I said, I haven't sold any mugs. I've sold t-shirts and I sell printables on the daily. But as for mugs, I can't wait to get into this and use the same methods that I learned within Mugs Empire. Don't forget about these bonuses, okay? And there is a time limit on these bonuses. They will come down on November 3rd. Okay, so, check them out. And if you like it, let me know. If you have any questions, let me know down below. I'm here to help. Okay, be good. Take care. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.